high quality. The Ricoh Pro C7200SX series is powered by proven technologies. Excellent image quality and high stability are realized. Ricoh's laser beam technology VCSEL is capable of a print resolution of 2400 by 4800 dpi to give exceptionally accurate and smooth image quality. Technology that can enhance color consistency within pages, enabling reliable and high-quality printing. All new functions for automatic quality control technology. Inline sensors automatically read registration marks, adjust image position and image magnification in real time. This technology further improves front-to-back registration accuracy. The paper is positioned accurately within the paper path by utilizing a rotary gate mechanical registration system that can achieve a high accuracy of image positioning on both sides, even at higher output speeds.